Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best budget mechanical keyboards of 2023. If you're on a budget but still want to experience the joys of mechanical keyboards, then this video is for you. The list goes from most expensive budget keyboard to the cheapest and best budget keyboard out there. Make sure you stick around to the end to see what made number 1. 5. Cooler Master CK552, $179. This keyboard is a great choice if you want a keyboard with a lot of features. It comes with Cherry MX switches, which are the most popular mechanical switches on the market. It also has RGB backlighting, which you can customize to your liking. 4. Logitech G512 Carbon, $89.99 to $163 USD. This keyboard is a great choice if you want a keyboard that looks and feels premium. It comes with GX brown switches, which are tactile and quiet. It also has a full metal body, which makes it very durable. $3. HyperX Alloy Origins Core, $89. This keyboard is a great choice if you want a keyboard that's both affordable and reliable. It comes with HyperX Aqua switches, which are smooth and quiet. It also has a durable build quality, so you can be sure that it will last for years to come.
Stockmusic.net.
$2. Keychron K10, $84. The first keyboard on our list is the Keychron K10. This keyboard is a great all-rounder and it offers great value for money. It comes with Gateron G Pro switches, which are smooth and responsive. It also has a wireless connection, so you can use it with your computer or phone. $1. Red Dragon K552, $35. And the cheapest and best budget keyboard we have on the list is the Red Dragon K552. This keyboard is a bit more affordable than the Keychron K10, but it still offers a great typing experience. It comes with Aldenu brown switches, which have a tactile bump that provides feedback when you press a key.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Comment down below what you want me to make a list of next.